in this video, we'll see how to install Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So let's open up Google Chrome, and here we'll type out, we say download Mozilla Firefox. Okay, now click on the first link that you see, and here you can click on download Firefox, and you can see that it says that your download should begin automatically. Okay, and we have a file downloaded here. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the file and click on yes. You will see this dialog box. Here instead of reinstall, you will get an option called as install. So click on install. It will take some time, and Firefox will start installing on your PC.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion. Following the light that sets me
And after this, you'll get this dialog box. So just click on finish, and now Firefox has been installed on your PC. You can just go to desktop, look for the icon, and let's see. Yeah, you can see that Firefox opened up here. Just click on start setup and just click on not now. Save this theme, and here you can see that now Firefox has opened up. You can search for anything. Just go to google.com, and you can see that we are on google.com now. That was it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to share it, be sure to like and comment. That's it. Thank you.